Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial I'll show you how to shorten this top. First I will pin my top hem to length what I want. I'm folding original hem inside like that and I'm pinning that front edge around. I'm happy with this length. And here's my pinned top, looks like that. Pins are the front there. And this is inside of the hem. Now I will measure how much I need to shorten this top by. And it is 7 centimeters. I'm removing these pins and I'm flattening out this original hem like that, and I will shorten this top same way like it is on the original hem. Next I will add 7 centimeter measurement all around for my new hemline. My new hem is pinned all around. Next I will iron this new hemline. Now I will iron this new hemline. I'm folding this hemline to the inside like that, and I will iron this hemline all around where the pins are. And here's my new hem ironed. Looks like that. Next I will move these pins at the front by this new hem all around. I have moved all of the pins to front new hemline. Next I will sew this hemline. Now I'll show you how to sew this hemline. To sew this hemline I'll be using twin needle. I have inserted this twin needle in my sewing machine already. I have full DIY tutorial how to use twin needle. I'll link it down below. To sew stretchy hem on this top I'll be using this zigzag foot, and I have taped tape at the back of this foot so stretchy fabric sews well. Also I have full DIY tutorial, I'll link it down below in the description box. This tape on this foot will help with the smooth seams on my top. I'm attaching this foot on my sewing machine, pulling the thread at the back there. Also I'll be using this magnet, and I'm adding this magnet to 1.5 centimeter seam allowance there. Now I will sew this hemline all around. I'm placing this hemline to the magnet edge there, removing this pin. I'm making sure the hemline is smooth on both sides, and when I will sew I will stretch my fabric slightly. When I have reached at the seam, I'm pulling the 2 top threads to the wrong side and I'm making a knot. This will secure the seam, and I will continue sewing and I will line all seams together. So I'm sewing over these seams in the same line. And I have sewed my new hem all around, and this is how it looks. Next I will move these 2 threads to the wrong side. So I'm pulling this 1 thread on the wrong side and I'm pulling 2 top threads. So as you can see it's nice and smooth. And I'm making a knot on the wrong side so the seam is secure. And my hem is sewed and it looks like that, nice and stretchy. And here's my sewed hemline, looks like that. Next I will cut out this excess fabric. I will start from this side seam. I'm cutting this side seam open quite close to my seam there, but not too close so I don't cut my new seam. And I will cut this excess fabric close to my seam all around. And this is how it looks. Next, I'm ironing this hemline flat all around. And here's my finished hem. Looks like that. So this is inside and this is the right side. And here's before and after. So this is my new hemline in the middle, and I'm very happy with the result. And from this cut of fabric I made a matching hair scrunchie, and a matching flower neck corsage. If you have any questions how I made these accessories from cut of fabric or how I shortened this top, please comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it was useful. I will add a full DIY tutorial how to make this hair scrunchie and neck corsage in the description box. I will see you next time. Love, Anita.